Hello kids, how are you all? Say I'm fine, thank you ma'am. Today we are going to write here missing numbers 1 to 20. So let's start it. Sky blue color. Say sky blue color. It's 1. What comes after 1? 2. 2. Right here. 2. Very good. Pink color. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 2? 3. 4. And next is 5. What comes after 4? 5s. Green color. 5. Next is 6. What comes after 5? 6. Now green color. 6. Very good. 7, 8. What comes after 7? 8. Brown color. 8. 8, 9. What comes after 8? 9. Now we are using here green color. Green color. 9. 10, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. What comes after 10? 11. Yellow color. 11. Very good. Next is 12. What comes after 11? 12. Blue color. 12. 1, 2, 12. Very good. 13. What comes after 12? 13. Orange color. 13. Very good. 1, 3. 13. Good job. 14. 1, 4. 14. And what comes after 14? 15. 1, 5. 15. Red color. 15. 1, 5. 15. 16. And next is 17. What comes after 16? 17. Violet color. 17. 1, 7. 17. 1, 7. 17. 18. 1, 8. 18. And what comes after 18? 19. 1, 9. 19. Pink color. 19. 1, 9. 19. And 2, 0. 20. Very good. Now let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's great. Now next is same and different concept. Cross out the picture that is different from the rest. Look at these pictures. We should cross out the picture that is different from the rest. Look at this. These are full ice cream. This one as well. These ice cream are same and this one is different. So we need to cross out this like this. Next is umbrellas. This one umbrella. These four are umbrellas and this one is, I think it's mushroom. So we need to cross out this. Next, these two are clocks. These two are also clocks and this one is key. So we need to cross out. Look at this. It's a window and this one is a gift. These are same. So we need to cross out this. And look at these pictures. This is the different and these four are same. Very good. So that's it for today, kids. Bye bye. See you in the next class.